Hey friends, if you wish to display custom legal notices and startup messages in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The procedure is through the registry editor window. So search for registry editor and open the registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies and system. Now you have to do it in the left pane, okay? And you have to do it in the left pane. In the right pane, you'll notice two entries, two string values actually. One is legal notice caption and the second one is legal notice text. So this is the title, let's say legal notice. Okay, and then click on OK. And then the text will be, do not try to change data in this system, or anything that you want to, and click on OK, and this will apply all across your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.